Guys, and welcome to Origin Scale. I want to talk about Ryne's AI latest feature, which helps students 10x their learning process, and that feature is called Lecture Lab. So let's take a look. Basically, what this is an environment when you can turn any lecture or document into notes, flashcards, and practice exams. And you have quite a few options to upload your materials. You can drag and drop files. You can record something live or capture a lecture while sitting at a university lecture, or you can use YouTube, and that's what we're going to be using. I decided to choose Modern France, the French Revolution. This lecture is over 1 hour long. Let's copy this. This is going to spend 100 coins. Start processing. Lecture Lab is going through motions from transcribing to creating structured notes, then to extracting key concepts, generating flashcards, and finally creating a practice exam. And this all took like 2 minutes or so. Okay, now from here you have a few options. You can read the notes, Modern France, the origins and evolution of the French Revolution, catalyst for revolution, 1789, the birth of the National Assembly, early revolutionary reforms, the radicalization of the Republic, and so on and so forth. We have this transcript and play with it. So if you want to go to a specific part of the video, like this one, you can press here, and this is going to go to a specific section of the video. You can go through different concepts like the Enlightenment, social contract, general will, the third state, and so on and so forth. And each concept is very well summarized and it's easy to remember. And they are structured in clusters, so this is easier to learn and memorize. Then you have flashcards. Define absolutism as it existed in the 18th century France. And the answer is a political system where the king has supreme authority supported by the doctrine of divine right and the church. And you can review it. You can say, I'm still learning this. And you can go through these cards, and this is a mnemonic approach that aids learning and makes you learn concepts and new material faster. Then you have the exam, which is a quiz essentially. You have a multiple choice question. And finally, you can turn your lecture into a podcast with 2 hosts. So if you click on generate, okay, this is how it sounds like.
Today, we are diving into the chaotic and transformative world of the French Revolution.
I am so ready for this.
And it's only 6 minutes, so we were able to strip away all of the fluff and really get a concentrate of all the most important information. Now, this is Lecture Lab, but of course, Ryne AI is known for other tools as well. It's most famously known for its humanizer, which has various modes, balance, stealth. They've recently added the DNA that extracts your own writing. It has Ryne Chat, which actually uses multiple models to answer the question. So whenever you're asking the question, you can chat with all models simultaneously and then continue on with the one that you like the output from. You get the essay composer, which to my knowledge is one of the few essay writing tools with real references, university style references. And the essays come out fact-checked, which is amazing. And finally, the AI reports, which serves as proxy for Turnitin, for example, and actually checks 0GPT and GPT-0 as well to give you the best chance of finding out whether your paper is going to be flagged as AI or not. So this is Ryne AI. Go check it out. Start with the Lecture Lab to study, then use Ryne Chat to have a back and forth about a specific topic. Then you can use its essay composer that you can run through the humanizer, and finally check with AI report. So this is a one-window shop with everything under the hood. Hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you soon. Cheers.